Welcome to Dorman Products Self-Coating Ignition Cylinder Installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered to be an easy repair by our technicians. This installation will take approximately 10 minutes to complete. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable. Next, insert the key and rotate the lock cylinder to the run position. Use a small screwdriver to depress the lock retaining tab and pull the lock cylinder from the column. Tech note: the lock retaining tab can be accessed through a small opening in the bottom column shroud. Fully insert the vehicle key into the self-programming cylinder. Quickly rotate the key clockwise one full turn. Ratcheting sounds will occur during the coating operation. Next, rotate the key counterclockwise one full turn and the coated lock cylinder will be released. Keeping the tumbler shell held upright, carefully remove the orange cap. Insert the coated lock cylinder and key into the tumbler shell and install it by turning the key clockwise until secure. To install the new lock cylinder, turn the key to the run position and push it into the port until it clicks. Reconnect the negative battery cable.